Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Poco C65, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using just household items. To do it, firstly you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. To clean your USB charging port using the toothbrush, you just need to insert one part of the brush into the connector. So we will calibrate our camera meanwhile. And then you will need just to enter one part of the brush into the connector. And just brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!